Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, this is about 10:30 p.m. and the date is 29th. The month is August 2024. There's a lot of rain. I'm in Hyderabad City, Sindh, Pakistan. This is my studio, and now I'm going outside. There's a lot of rain in my house. You can see. I don't know if you can see better from here, but there's a lot of rain. Um, Let me go outside and check. My generators are running. There's no power in the house. I have two generators which are running right now, 2 kV and 3 kV. So total of 5 kV power I'm generating right now. Limited amount of fuel. I don't know if you can see much. So look at that. I don't have light here, so you cannot see much, but that's water right there. It's all water. It's all water.